Are you looking for the best financial journal to track your money? You come to the right place. Now listen, disclaimer, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So let me just tell you something. Many people struggle with managing their money because they don't have a clear way to track their spending, okay? Or their savings or their goals. Now, without the right tools, it's easy to get lost or to forget, important details. But don't worry, today we're going to help you to choose the perfect financial journal to get you back on track. So a good financial journal is more than just a notebook. It's, your key to reaching your money goals. So imagine being able to see exactly where your money goes, how much you're saving, how close you are to your goals. Some popular options include budgeting journals, the debt tracker, check that out, and the expense log. So each one helps you keep a close eye on your finances in different ways. So apply those three, okay? Look more into those three, and I'll put them in the description. The best part, writing down your finances can help you stay motivated and make smart choices about how you spend and how you save. It's like having a personal coach for money, okay? So what are you waiting for? You got to get your financial journal started today. Start taking control. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you got anything from this video. And I love you.